Alright guys, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna do a half up, half down style on my closure wig. I'm taking an old wig of mine. As you can see, the color is kind of a purplish, bluish, greenish color. I don't even know, it faded to this color. It was originally a purple color, but I'm going to take the wig. It's still pretty good. It's just the color's all faded out. So I'm taking my henna and I'm using that to darken the color. So I want a jet black, which is what it's going to turn into. So that's the wig and that's the final result. The back of the wig did not really dye much, but it's fine because it won't really show anyways. So what you see me doing here is I'm parting my wig. So the closure part, I'm taking my comb and I'm making like parts to them in a way that the track doesn't show. So I'm using just a little bit of the closure, the hair on the closure, to close and to block the tracks from showing, right? If that makes sense. And then when I do that part, I'm gonna take my eyeshadow in a color that's closest to my scalp color, and I'm going to use that to kind of like make the line more visible. The wig completely looks like trash right now, and you guys are probably wondering like, sis, what are you doing? But I promise it will all make sense in a little bit, okay? So just follow what I'm doing. So I'm going to take the actual closure and I'm going to put that up in a bun. So what I'm doing is I'm just making the mark as I want it to look when everything's finalized and good to go. I'm taking my rubber band and I'm using that to put my hair, only the closure part. I grabbed a little bit of hair from the back too. I put that in the bun like I would want the hair to look. Don't worry about the front. Don't worry about anything. Like for now, we're just creating that illusion that we want, right? Okay. I'm taking my water and I'm just spraying my hair just to define my curls because everything is just looking all, you know, just, I don't know, just rough. But it's all going to make sense in a little bit. So just hang on. Promise, guys, I'm not going to leave you hanging.
Just receive on the bed.
So what I'm taking, and I have coarse 4C hair, so if this method can work for me, I promise you it can work for anyone. All I'm doing is just taking a little bit, and as you can see, what I'm taking is literally nothing. Like it's just pretty much my edges that I'm taking out of the closure of the wig. Just a little bit. You don't need, like if you want your whole hair, like if you want a huge chunk of your hair out, you can do that, but for me I didn't need that. I'm taking my edges literally and I'm using my Ebony New York. I swear by this edge control, like this, I stand for this edge control. This edge control just makes so many styles possible for me. Like I have really coarse edges and I have really coarse hair, and it just makes any style possible for me. I'm taking the edge control and I'm using that to just blend my hair with the closure, just laying it down. As you can see, it's starting to look less visible. Like you're gonna see, you can't even tell it's a closure, right? So just keep doing that. I'm sleeping my edges, and honestly, edges are so important for any style because it just makes everything just come together and look just flawless, right? You can do anything, any style, as long as you lay your edges right, okay? Don't worry about the white residue. If that's coming off white to you guys, everything fixes itself once you scarf it down and lay everything. All right, so as you can see, I've blended. Like the front is still not properly done, but I'm still gonna work on it. But what I'm doing is to make my ponytail a little bit more realistic looking. I'm taking extra tracks and I'm just circling it around the ponytail to give it a little bit of a volume, and I'm taking some parts of the hair from the ponytail and I'm using that to circle around you know, the ponytail that I'm making, just to hide the rubber band and the bobby pins that we used. So as you can see, it's starting to take form, starting to take shape. So you have a choice to leave it like this, or what I'm doing is I am curling my hair just at the top, just to make the curls at the top just really like, I don't know what the word is, uniform and nice, because it's not dry yet, right? Because I sprayed some water on the hair, so the curls were not dry yet, so they didn't have volume. So what I'm doing is just spray, curling, making those curls myself to give it more of a just nice and uniform look. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but you get the point, guys. So this is another thing that you can do too. You can put the hair up in the bun. As you can see, like my edges are dry and it's just everything's blended in, like you can barely tell that it's even a closure. Everything just looks nice and blended, and it's just very quick. As always, every style you're gonna see on this channel is quick and easy, and that's how the back looks. I'm in love. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.